Welcome to Gloucester Compressed Air Specialists Limited. Our highly skilled team of engineers have over 25 years' experience in providing a complete air compressor solution throughout the southwest. Our services are tailored to suit individual customer needs. They include the supply, installation, maintenance, repair and full servicing of industrial air compressors and related equipment.
Here at GCASL, we look after many different types of companies such as manufacturers, food industry suppliers, dairy producers, automotive industry and many more sectors. For instance, in the manufacturing industry, we have undertaken projects which included full installation of compressed air systems, which would have included the air compressor, filtration and ring main installations. In the food industry, we have designed and installed a bespoke packaging machine for a producer of restaurant-bound fresh rocket and spinach. In the dairy industry, we have provided solutions for a fully automated milking parlour. In the automotive industry, we supply systems and support for a prominent Formula One UK-based racing team. So if you are looking for a company that can provide you with a solution to your compressed air requirements, whatever they may be, GCASL are available for you 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. We can ensure you with a high quality personal service for any of your compressed air needs.